That is excellent.
I was too
Well
far back the
done.
last time, eh? It was
Well
actually going off the
done.
front of my hand, so I managed to stop it. That was cool.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, right? Yeah. Good morning, guys. Merry Christmas. Dave and I thought we would give you a little bit of a walk around and show you where we live at the moment.
Good morning. Not a cloud. Oh yes, there is clouds in the sky.
Not a cloud in the sky.
Not above us anyway. At least there's no wind.
Yeah. This is our cityscape. That's him.
Yes.
This is our cityscape. Over there is Perth and all the buildings and stuff. Optus Stadium.
And if you're into cycling, there's cycle paths right around the river.
Soccer parks everywhere. We're at the yacht club in Maylands.
No, we're not members of the yacht club.
No, we're not members of the yacht club. We don't have a yacht.
There's a chair over there, yeah. Oh, a little bit flooded. I'm not going to go out there and do it just in case I make it.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
What's that?
Why have I never been here, Dave?
Well, no, I've been here quite a few times.
Yeah, on your bike.
Yeah, we go past there. Oh, there's a landing pad.
These sandals are a little bit slippy. I can't seem to get actual English words out of my mouth this morning.
You did have one alcoholic drink last night.
One. God's sake. We'll get in the shade, okay? It's a really sunshiny day today. It's beautiful. Check it out. Oh wow. Look at that old tree stump there. How cool. Oh, no big deal.
I think they've still got a bit of barbecues over there, the electric ones.
Really?
I'm not sure if you haven't really.
Oh well, yeah, we're not prepared for that. We're not prepared for that.
That's like the sort of 3 electric doors for you know.
What we need is music. Some Christmas tunes. I've got what I need for Christmas. Our impending move to Thailand is my Christmas gift. I don't want anything else. I mean, seriously, what more could you want? Hey, Dave. Oh, you got a clear shot of Dave's butt there. That was not my intention. Until I looked over, I didn't even realise he was in the camera.
Ooh, they're only good for looking at this, not for distance.
Okay, so we're going to fleur.
Fun?
See, again, there's no English words coming out of my mouth. Going to fleur the drone.
Nice and peaceful, eh?
Fuck, I'm an idiot. Well, that's definitely getting edited out. Oh, look, there's ducks.
Duckies.
I love ducks. If you follow our channel, you'll know I love ducks. Yes, they're tasty as well, I know. Duckies. We're way over this side because there are people over the other side canoeing and walking and cycling and so forth. We don't want to interrupt their Christmas morning or put people on film that don't want to be on film. Oh, that's pretty cool. I've chose the stupidest sandals to walk in. I mean, seriously. What Droney's going. I think we might call him Droney because we're in too much indecision as to what to name him. So it might just be Droney Drone. Pretty boring, I know, but I hope you're filming. Oh, good. I love that tree. It kind of reminds me of Castaway. Don't know why. Check it out, how beautiful. Isn't it strange when nature decides to grow? It's pretty cool though. Let's see if I can go there and sit down and get a decent snap of me sitting on this tree. Oh, well, it's a little bit thorny on my butt, but yeah, aside from that, look at this beauty. Isn't she gorgeous? Not me, this tree. We all know what I'm talking about. It's a tree. And nature. So beautiful. And there's the St. John of God Hospital over there. Oh my God. Look at the sound of lapping water. It's nothing nicer. I have no idea where the drone's gone. The whole idea was to video some of the drone footage and put the two bits together. I don't think that's going to happen this time because I can't see. Oh, there he is. I see him now. Can you see him? Just barely. He's up in the... He's looking over the water. He's looking at the duck. Is he looking at the duck? Dave? Oh, really? How's that? Did you see that? the little signal that I gave to it with my middle finger. We need more boats to go by to make that slushing we're on the beach sensation. So pretty though. We had our Christmas lunch on Dave's side last weekend. We had Christmas lunch with my mum yesterday. And that's it for us for Christmas. So Christmas Day's ours. So our intention today is to have a lovely cold platter with cold meats, cheeses, fruit, and we will hole ourselves up in the house, in the air conditioning, because it's going to get hot today, and watch some movies. Sounds like a damn good idea to me. What about you? What are you doing on Christmas Day? I love these new batteries, Dave. The camera just doesn't heat up at all. A little bit of heat, and that's after 10 minutes. Where are you going to land it, Dave? In your hand?
I can try again.
Alright, let's give it a go. What do we know?
Oh, this.
Whoa. Oh, it's all learning. Oh, awesome.
Actually did it.
All right, we're just doing a takeoff from Dave's hand. Let's see how that goes. It took off a little bit too quick before I could get the camera around, but anyway.
Oh, why is it going spinny?
Because...
I think I've upset it.
Because it is?
I don't know.
All right, get him down.
Okay, he's going to land. I'll have to do something.
So it turns out the problem with the drone was simply a firmware update.
Well, we're not sure because we're doing the firmware now, but what was happening, as you've probably seen by what the video Judy was doing, as my drone lifted up, it just kept rotating. It wouldn't stop, and when it said it needs to recalibrate your toggle switches. When I went sideways on the toggle switch, which I'll show later on, it wouldn't calibrate. It was basically saying there's a fault inside your handpiece. We've got home, I've turned it on and it works fine. So I don't know, so I'm just there's an update and then we'll try again. But it's actually saying it's calibrated now. Before it completely lost everything. So I don't know if it's the way I landed it on my hand, because the next flight it didn't want to work. But now my little smart dish droney is working again. I don't know yet. We haven't flown it yet, so I'm just doing the firmware update to whatever that one is, which is...
So we went for coffee and it was a little, it wasn't stressful, it was more, okay, so what are we going to do next? So basically it was, well, it's Christmas Day today, so we're going to have to wait until Wednesday until a shop actually opens up. We had planned to shoot a little bit more footage with the drone in that time. And I was convinced that we'd be able to figure it out ourselves. But after doing a little bit of a Google search, people are saying you need a particular part, then you need to solder it if you can do it yourself.
Disassemble.
Disassemble the whole thing. And
I soldered it, which it could do, but it just all of a sudden it's working again. But I'm thinking, it's not even a month old.
Yeah, considering we've had it for as short as we've had it.
And I haven't looked after, I haven't been rough on it, so
yeah,
I'm
you
not
haven't
sure.
dropped the controller or anything silly like that,
No.
so...
I thought it might have been the way I went to land it, but everything seems to be fine, everything rotates. Just as you probably see by Judy's video, it just kept going around, and I'm going, why? I even turned everything off, pulled the battery out, reset it, and it still did it. Now I get home, and it's fine. Obviously you didn't want to go out today.
A second
Drone
time.
says no.
A second time. Drone did say no. So what we're going to do is we're waiting until this update is final, and we'll give it a shot, maybe just outside here. Do you think?
I can't with the shade top, it'd be a bit awkward.
Okay, well we've got
I might be able to go down to the park.
We've got the sunshade out there that will probably make it a little bit difficult. The one that you'll probably see just before this part of the video, because I was just outside there videoing our garden and the beautiful sky that we've got today. So
no, the fault's come up again, I think.
The fault?
Oh no, it's come clear. Well, normally that little red light there was going blue saying recalibrate, but now it's saying
it looks
it's
like
okay.
we're all good.
Because it was telling me firmware installed.
We're filming this section for the novices of the Digi Mini 3 Pro.
Oh no, same Beijing, that's right. No. I've got to turn this back on.
Also, because, hey guys, we're just learning, and we want to share these, you know, the downtimes and the oopsies with you guys as well. So if you happen to encounter this kind of thing yourself, then this might help.
I was only freaking out if it started doing circle work and it's above the river. I would be doing a lot of swimming.
I'll have to edit, Dave.
Oh.
I'll have to edit.
I got my Speedos on.
I forgot. Yeah, we're going swimming a little bit later on. Now that's the error that's coming up for us. What's it say? Remote control calibration error. Calibrate remote controller. Code 161004C. Sorry, it's 0004C. So that's something that was coming up before, but it has been recalibrated several times now, but the same error keeps coming up. So we need to figure that one out, and then we're sweet. Oh, it's working, guys. We're good now. So what do you do, Dave? Just update.
I don't know. No, well, I tried to calibrate. It still won't work. There's something wrong with the controller, so I'll take it into them and send them the fault.
Yeah. So that big beep, is that supposed to be?
Because it can't pick, because I've got no. I've got Philodite now.
I'm not going to put it on there because
No.
look, it's good.
I don't know why it's because it can't pick anything up. Well, it should do.
What are you trying to do?
I want to land it.
It's all good.
It worked again. I'm going to take it in.